What's up, y'all? It's your girl T, and I'm back with another mukbang. Today, I have a Southwest salad from McDonald's. I have me some tea, and I have a water bottle. So let's go ahead and get this salad out and start the talking and start the eating. Here you go. Yummy. Looks good. Don't want that. Go ahead, and I got the Southwest sauce. So what I do is I take my sauce, pour it on top. Then I take my top, put it back over the salad. Make sure it's tight. And then I just shake it up. Get this sauce, all on there. And I got grilled chicken, so. But today, I'm just going to talk about what's been going on. Mainly, only problem I have with my lupus is I having fluid starting to build back up. So as you can see, I'm starting to try and force myself to drink as much more water as I can. And I just put myself back on fluid pills, but you can tell in my arms where the fluid is, and this is nothing but fluid. But yeah, I'm going to call my doctor tomorrow so I can make an appointment, so we can see what's going on. Why I'm still, I was doing good at first, but see, I guess to see if it's because I wasn't following the correct directions, eating right. As you can see, I need to eat right more, drink more water, take my medicine and stuff like that. So they got big chunks of chicken. I need to cut this. But yeah, that's mainly, and I'm sorry if y'all hear the TV in the background. Just got home, changed my clothes, so just wanted to go ahead and eat this salad. I was like, hey, do a video for you. But yeah, that's one main thing, and I was talking with my aunt about that too this morning. One main thing I want to do, start eating more healthy, seeing if eating healthy more, drinking more water, seeing if that helps, before I go back to the doctor. Now she said if that don't help, then to go to the hospital, then, then I have to go back to the hospital, and then they, figure everything out from there. I think this is Suicide Squad, this one. Never seen it before. And then I was thinking also about working wise, but I'm gonna just wait until I see my doctor, talk to my doctor about that. Because if anything, I know some ways I can make money from home. So if anything, I do those ways, because I don't want to go to work and put more stress on me, and then I turn around, have to quit. Just one thing I hate, I am a dedicated hard worker. I hate going to work and then having to quit or having to leave because of my health.
You can just kill me right now. I want to have a drink. Deadshot, I need your help. No, sir. I need a miracle.
But I wanted to go ahead and do this quick mukbang for y'all. I'm going to go ahead and end this video now. Please like, comment, and subscribe down below. Give that bell a good ring ding ding so you can know the next time I post a video. And I will be updating y'all later. Peace.